Question 2. Figure 2 shows an evolutionary tree for 4 different primate animals. Part A. Which organism is most closely related to modern humans? Tick one box. We can see the options are chimpanzees, orangutans, and gorillas. Looking at figure 2 on the right, we can see that modern humans and chimpanzees have the most recent common ancestor. That is shown by this divergence here. So this is the most recent divergence. So therefore that shows that they are the most recent common ancestors. So chimpanzee scores the 1 mark available for that question part. Part B. How many millions of years ago did orangutans last share a common ancestor with the other 3 primates? Okay, so we look for orangutans, we can see them over here at the end, and we're looking for when they last had a common ancestor. Remember, it's the branching points, isn't it, on these evolutionary trees that show us a common ancestor. And we can see that branching point with the 3 other primates was at this point here. Therefore, the answer is 15 million years ago. Part C. Give the genus of chimpanzees. Okay, so genus is part of the binomial name of every organism, and that is made up of the genus and the species. So the genus is the first word, so therefore for chimpanzees, the genus is Pan. We can see that there in figure 2. So that first word, its binomial name. You should always write that with a capital letter as it's shown there. Part D. Table 1 shows the order of amino acids in the same part of a protein for 3 of the primates. So we've got the 3 primates here, and then we've got the amino acid sequences in the rest of the table. Explain how the data in Table 1 supports the evolutionary tree shown in Figure 2. So what we've been asked here is to look for information in this table that supports what's shown in Figure 2 there. So what we're looking for with this is differences in the amino acid sequence. Now if we actually look along, we can see that the modern humans and the chimpanzees actually have the same amino acid sequence. So that shows us that they must be very closely related, whereas the gorillas actually have a difference. So there is a difference there, and also a difference there. That therefore shows us that they mustn't be as closely related as modern humans are to chimpanzees. So in terms of a model answer for this, we'd say modern humans and chimpanzees are most closely related in Figure 2 and have the same amino acid sequence. That gets us 1 mark. So we've used the information in the table and related it to Figure 2. The second mark is for saying that gorillas are less closely related to humans in Figure 2 and have 2 differences in amino acids, which we've highlighted there in the table. That scores 2nd mark, giving us the 2 marks available for this question.